Beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a bold lip that not only looks stunning, but feels incredible, you've landed in the right place. Today, I'm talking about a product that's been all the buzz lately, Charlotte Tilbury's K.I.S.S.I.N.G Lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk Fair. Let's get right into it. No frills, just the facts. This is a satin finish lipstick with moisturizing and hydrating benefits that promises to give you fuller-looking lips with just one swipe. It's a cool tone pink that's a classic neutral, perfect for both everyday wear or when you want to amp up your look without going overboard. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First up, the formula. The K.I.S.S.I.N.G lipstick is designed to not just provide color, but to hydrate the lips as well. We're talking nourishing ingredients that make sure your lips stay comfortable all day. It's enriched with a blend of oils that feel luxe, smooth, and hydrating without being greasy. And let's not forget the light-diffusing pigments. These little gems help make your lips appear fuller, giving that perfect plumped look without any fillers or gloss. When I first applied it, I was struck by how effortlessly it glides on. The formula isn't too heavy, but it's definitely not too thin either. Just the right consistency that coats the lips with vibrant color in one pass. And while the lipstick feels moisturizing, it doesn't have that slippery texture that some moisturizing lipsticks can have, which I personally appreciate. The Pillow Talk Fair shade, specifically, is a gorgeous, cool-toned pink that works well across various skin tones. For my lighter complexion, it's a great neutral pink that feels soft but impactful at the same time. I've worn it both during the day for a casual look and in the evening to add a bit of drama, and it's versatile enough for both. Now, onto the pros. I have to start with the packaging because it's so Charlotte Tilbury, elegant and luxurious. It's also super easy to apply and doesn't bleed outside the lines. Plus, the moisture and comfort it provides throughout the day are definitely highlights. You get color payoff without sacrificing lip health, and that's something that can't be overlooked. But there are a couple of cons to consider. One, the lipstick does need a reapplication after eating or drinking. While it's not marketed as a long-wear lipstick, I think that's something worth noting for those of you who prefer products that stay put for longer stretches of time. The second con is that the pigmentation isn't quite as intense as some might expect from a bold lipstick, but that satin finish makes up for it with a natural, glossy shine. Is this lipstick worth the price? Let's break it down. At around $34, Charlotte Tilbury is definitely positioned as a luxury brand. You're paying for the quality, the unique formula, and the gorgeous finish. For those who want something that gives you both hydration and luminous color in a single swipe, this is a pretty good investment. However, if you're looking for a matte finish or a more affordable option, there are plenty of alternatives out there. If you love this style of lipstick, but are looking to save a bit, I'd recommend checking out some drugstore brands with similar hydrating formulas, though they might not have the same sophisticated finish as this one. For those curious about build quality, I will say that Charlotte Tilbury consistently delivers when it comes to luxury packaging. The tube is solid, feels sturdy in the hand, and looks beautiful sitting on your vanity. So, who should buy this lipstick? If you're someone who wants a lipstick that's going to nourish your lips while giving them a fuller appearance and a gorgeous satin finish, this is a great pick. It's especially suitable for those who love a more neutral, natural pink shade with a sophisticated twist. If you're on a tighter budget or prefer matte formulas, this might not be the best choice for you. Before we wrap things up, let me know, does this review help you decide if this product is for you? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. It helps us keep bringing you real, unbiased opinions on the best beauty products out there. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried the Charlotte Tilbury K.I.S.S.I.N.G Lipstick, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if this lipstick worked as well for you as it did for me. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.